This video is inspired by Red Michael. Go and check out his channel. Alright folks, so this is the this is the Whetstone Double Deuce Machete. It's got a 16-inch blade and comes very sharp out of the box. The good thing about it is that it's only, and check this out, only $8.50. Now, is it worth anything? So let's just run through the specs real fast. This thing has a 16-inch blade of stainless steel. It doesn't say which one. It is full tang, and I checked it out. I poked this inside and you can feel the steel through the lanyard hole. And it's 22 inches overall, and it looks very much like the Coleman machete, 22 inch. So Coleman says their machetes is 3CR13, which is kind of a very budgety steel out of China. But let me show you one thing. This little pocket knife, this little folder, which I turned into a slip joint. It's called the Kershaw filter. This guy is 3CR13, so just so you have a reference. 3CR13 cuts pretty nice. A decent knife for 13-14 bucks. Okay, so this is the Double Deuce, and we'll go and check it out on some shrubbery and see how it works. Wow. Okay folks, and you know that I cannot have a test without cutting some paper. So let's see this thin magazine paper, and after I chopped with this thing, I cut some ferns, I did work. Let's see if it still cuts. Oh boy. Oh yeah. This thing is razor sharp out of the box. $8.50. Unbelievable.